Everything for high GC News. Mema Obibia Kwaba. I had the latest hot and qua Eramede Bremo. And we so we subscribe to channel media. Bomodia say obe subscribe. Robeyan say obe click a year the subscribe button. Now our belly notification. We understand video for free be upload with the first person once ebeka. Yes, our video. Afi we are now like video no. Give us a thumbs up. Na fi share ma wafufro so na when you be here. Na ensem do na ra ekoso ewo Ghana memo hanu afi yembura ye ensemo abeto yepno so yinti esa report ya ababetu ya sankomo yimuma yinti.
I am disappointed in him. Na metros ni ntia wayo misikano na yesi wayo mi adiga na sika 51 million. What is it? The bill I did to so ye 54 million. 3 million extra. Sani bill ete and this would the 1,000 ni ma bill as 1,500 na 2,000 won't to miss kana waji efi cocoa board sa contract no nko ade no 45 million 199,525 26.96 cent million dollars no o convert the basidi mua and the dollar rate, I found a 10.13. We found a 10.10. We are talking about 458 billion. Yes, that is the money we are talking about. Sika idiama I hallmark civil engineering. Si omfan chakwain that deals to a quantum road no. This 45 million. Who convertible CDs now we use current rate. We are talking about 458 billion. Near Tosono, 71 million a sunny bill bond. No. Raymond, you can't disappoint us like that. You cannot let us down. 50 million in my mind a too small. A battery. And so because you make my journey. Won't be can run, won't be uncle that South Africa. So yare. No so won't me no beer ochina na man baila na condition no 50 million and 50 million. We are talking about a man who had expressed interest to buy Chelsea.
Yes, always
$3.1 billion. I was so the Kojo Chelsea. Check and see. That was around the same time. Sikanaba.
Ekodim. Besinde. Yentumi yi no fi say no honsam no dosu NPP enra minority no boycott a parliament business of the day buy betra form omo ye hu hia bonkofo pass omo nka omo no hu say omo wodom eni nsem bebre na nkasa ndeso ya tese bi mu na nam ho still now no omo ntumi enhwe emman bill no ya tese Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia no organizing on inkofu bi akohwe na so metumi anya bill e di amana because adetia e memenda anhwa na akọ Monday ade a kojo yentie
me das me nua mfa kwanya so me nchetie fo ne ahwefo
obi aje so
oni baby me hu de kontan ke reset Ghana nke ba nke bebe kansan simbi baba sam mo de topic de baby run ebi ma bokro still now would do me area Jerisa ebi ya shawo adwuma den say running story but then who yanze be kan wa what you say
maybe na me kofi awie maybe me say police for genjina 18 mo na e den
eno a shawo for na omaji area no fa do nteso mutim bo ho ba kakra what you say and is getting a running story about him say who yent ye ma me kan wa tika I want to me say can you fa so bi e wono so an kan na wi akete ya e kwa be fa so mampani mu chicha ma dollar ni cd apajan dollar e wi ni pounds wi kan na say kan baba mu dia topic dey say kan wan sem sa so say me political party but I do pempen so Ghana for say so nyansa kakra what you say nya bibia asembia no binya ese kokotra ho say senke untumi okoye political program se tie ne political program ene bia na no pae ana ofro platform na no apa na party e bibi no na no apa anke different obi ono no sebia mu sebia nyaado ya man contract awanye wa for man sika twitwi die se akokodi ne hono ma wanye it's alleged person say I went fraud ni ne ma nyina import ma say money laundering near there then the car no dey call imbo say according to imbo so imbo as a duty imbo anyo the car na ko ebi po no be ko fie car no ebi po no ko
fie we dey wo be so ubodue mama me na we dey wani dey ma akra kam ni say NPP chairman bi omoso ye press conference concerning project ni a contractor oyede ma wontumi a ofeli so be sa na me na so wajiske gu no botom mama ye nhwe sa video no ye wi a Kojo ebo ato aso a press conference NPP for ne bi aye chere say chema wontumi contractor ahro e de mani nyina no ade a wanye kwan ahro ni ade na wanye nso waje sika gu no botom say mama entiemra
na ye sa press conference bi san say anyuma na wo he wanye Musiasu road wanye Sebuom wanye Impasantia wanye Bompata wanye Antwa krom to aso Manson kwanta wanye Ahisa fire service to left Omeka bebi asa contract no tia onye ye na se obi beto ama party anye nipa do be register aye kwa we obeye anipa ko nkroma obeni so afa no eno no be adi akasa wo se party na jitum yes say one constituency 1 million no say 20%.
Mama sabia nya ado edu ba bia nkwase afo bi su kan wo pa o ni ato aba ma obi no mu obi akokọ edwiri mu se obi a eboni se muso hihye mra no aye hihye no eni odi anawe wotima se na obenya MPs omuso yakọ transform na obi busa se dia eboni na untumi yeye wotima se na me di me general secretary no for pa me former general secretary oko campaign sata me nyina ne enim se John Boedo ne sunu ne ba bi no nyenti no ye force ye campaign bi amanzo betu awini ba ke Nicholas o hwe ne kasa kro kasa mpa uti na adwemu mpo no wotima se scan ye mfa bi man na ye mfa bi ma ochina no bi aka che physical no bi anka se physical brain no mu na mo pe bia manipa no e bi papa mu ase mo court kasa bi scan na ide ato no so no ye predict court onye de family form kakra nye de emaye na wo kan bi business scan no o mu ni bi no mo pe so me scan no mo bi pa na se unsa de na akoye fascinating kro umia ye ne ye wa mia so etu because o ye mistake ne ko bodi se Kojo ebo na 50 million Ghana cedis ni ba ya ye be sa ko cheke enkofo no so ho mo chi we mu ho won so be busa se anya bia so scan nya fie na Bawumia ndo ko face camera o Bank of Ghana o ko deputy governor be check ni pay o be device be check ni pay allowance unya ka bom ani aheze Bawumia wo so abokro no ko ehifa na unya sa sika fie eti we say de ete obi a ward baba bia eti o fan koe no ayi Afenyo Markin say Ato Forson ayi 60-40 o bi so o so on fama obi an fama nkrofo nkwadodo na obi na scan nkrofo wi ya de keto dodo na ya kromfo no mu gyan but obi aso so de ba Ultima say ne nipa na disa boni we ya mo so ya kokogu abontin si egina hono na me say DNDC fo ho ya
o DNDC fo ho
mo mu wi man no o man de wu wa untimi nya upe so fo adwuma ya ntina Pentecost wo man ne methodist na de ade wo kwako ho no de ya ade papa nko an ye ye de amamo hye unsa wo ye papa na wudi boni ensuo na be ho sa police tank na di ya yiti nsuo no for the past 2-3 years ye wuru mu ye nsuo ni time a ado na nkrofo be transform asem di nsuo gu nkrofo eso no mu guo no mama guo eti tank says so etade ye dey ye umani tuo umani shumani tear gas ye hot water ubom hot water no bia ko ni fie kama mu di ade na guo na nkrofo we guo no mu ye dede Ultima say
na kwa de me hu say bi mu the ties bi ko
police one na the time because we shin or the jump to no police one panic also me sorry memo mu nyesa da bi o amamu emu ni soft side do bi also ma hu ye Ultima say en check say so nkoma remacha unzo no nya security expert
yes
but the sector no we the compare microphone apart from Chumberman side no no he fa no mo no na courtis
yes
yes 3310 chese microphone nyankopon e balance o kakra no bonenko a wo te nam 1 bonenko a nam 1 say
o but NPC anu omugo ina akweja
Ultima say
lawyer na enamo
na mo me de na mo be say me move ni kakra na mo say who pam roba ta you know we share na mo say say we timi akwaje obi gold to gold 4.9 million dollars up to now when tia gold nya de won ko ye we ni won do kokko tofi obi honum up to now when what must say Nicola me ko manim dia me kan say at the end of the day papa we eni kwa say hi humpo we make sure say mlani ni bedi any say 2 minutes na unso mo so omunya ade o sa atam otum for issue by apart from Wontumi unso ka so yare your friend ka so yare what the yare ne ko achi ena panifo ko pa acho e ma odu o ne chasem na de ewu ya sa achi na mo sa net wo say wo yare no oda hospital where does that say na no na me yare ko region the same thing with the hospital also the hospital mo sa mo fa ne ko sell mo ko twa ne light mo na ni emu na ni sumo we pie na ni su biri no mo make sure say eso facing yema or the say we na no the yabeli no kofie we mfa so be ni nyaye mo make sure say o yare ante yende kro ho para ho mo man bi ni wonom na mo fa ne konkotum sansam fu na we de ye kokuma say ye program ye nyina ma ye nyina ye program me see what this year FM your top one na the boys abegu from so mo man no so be pack car ho say we are the obeye nya one day 2 days all the week baby obia woni ne krofo so mbeku mu nya ade ombe wontumi we panimu asabe na adwene wo fom panimu a woni nyanza panimu a wonwene nkonkai no sori sen krofo mo sa adwene ho sa tuma kofa gold ba begu we no ebegu TV so no ofo obi so bi ma menka gold no me no kasa ko yarefa kokofye eda ya wontumi asiesi wo yarefa na esi wo no e cha palace pankra yarefa he ni me konna ko he swimming pool so more than 1000 egu edamfa area mu wono ya no aye wontumi sa kwa we o
the day man na so be den was swimming
was a catfish ni ade ya and we those
bro ni chewe kan ye bro na o je so ye wo kuma asante ma so be ye catfish ye
wo na me se kokohwe and we kwaji scan wodi and wodi bi ye rough no this basic scan and open yes so I don't enya no pe scan the doors wa gink the like say the big na echi etime mo obi anwe se sa akwa we kwatuma na anu se Ghana nyansa fo bebe poko prison wo yo mi mo na me no kasa TV show we prison so kai
ora kwa mpepre
NC boss no Akufo Addo de tum atu now that's the mama pani boba ompade no sa atama ni kotum no wo ni kidney problem Akufo Addo ni wo fo to ni kokot dialysis or that so
the dialysis
one personal machine
dialysis
yeah machine on one use what must say every so fan chapter use as example what must say papa we da so dem no yare we ni kotum wo mo so na mo yen pa be 4 apart from Dr. Insa ono emrad otiminya no mo maka nyina kokodam na timi se bia obi anadwiri nya dwuma we no ono ne kokotum se bibi papa bi na asem oba ho ani papa nyankopɔ bo mu yi ase bia onu nyansa wo mo nyate wontumi mpo ye do makogum eti the NPP for ni yende mo mo nti obia na mo nyusu NDC mpanimfo nyusu suo no edu ba bia no odea tear gas no so ho no bullet those things e normal to me edu to wo no ma e wa na nipa be boko fia no wa fa ne wa otuma se nyusu those niema no nyusu sei wo Ghana mpu ache wo ha eti de meka no se wontumi na omutete ne dodo nipa wei ensemfo wadi ensem akafa nipa ho wo kasa te sese bi abuabuaso otepopo so wei salanche matika chese de betu no onim da onim na se me se panidio matemante asem o kan ne na ato no na wo nko bi ankasem toa enka ufie fo ne nko mu defend wo ba bia ufi nka hofo ne nko mu tawa chi wo asem ba ye nyina nko fo mu kan ne mafofa no wo mu na afi Asante region na anu me kwa Asante region onya ne case si ato aba Asante region bi mu a then a year percentage again this year no obekọ nanim before this Wontumi case you to about this 57 nenko nya be ko nya be 53 54 but Wontumi case ni you to and this be do be 60 because am making sure much sabium nya nipa 4 ba ko wedding samfu wo kro we mu ache ani amwa
no to meet na ni television so no say his excellency John Dramani Mahama ba Asante just obeji
pem e won ho na me say I can't some full way na yes ani mudi na one put so kan atem de die Wontumi nka bi we so Wontumi ansema ka fam omampani ni ebusu afọ Wontumi nka I'm telling you onishe because of our baby support no our Akufo Addo bi support no our nana kami enka bi support no and Akufo no wa yifa one odi mo chi ana mu di nsamfu no say sembo otifie what's am na ko ba no so otumba bi
oti for not o yi ase wo esirem
o sa gire ni onu wine akofo abone wotuma say we tofi esa to the pa wotuma say e nante kama na no ba bi at the end of the day one mo amudi nsamfu no mu na mu ko problem mu nya afeni ya chase o mu be ko na de make an say attorney general wonke kan homa ye cases ni do so o fa ne say 4 years is short we make sure that o mo e be say jail o mo nya 10 get to finishing crofo no na Ghana resetting and the main one.
Oh yes,
and this supporters about 80% to our ban because of some crofo akonfo dwabumi you better make sure some rano mu bedi
ko de bia me kasa excellency John Dramani Maham ne 4 years say sika horo we kodi nkofo botom eniam o mo ria oji sa niam no man kra 4 years ewi wodi kan ye project wa ye niam bebre
na project be no because wo twan nkofo akokofo mo bi 80 bi 70 something wo papa ye ko sky train so hunu kanim boni wodi 83
professor
am wodi 80 plus we wudi di agra wakowu am case na
asay obi enkwantena for ma
eti dia mo bagye no sanu kere Japan ko entamu beliye otima say eti sa niam no magye ne entamu obi ankowu ankokafo na di boni no owu ade na hye
woni na funu wasem
eti asra mo munya niam no 10 me make sure say bagi Ghana niam ma Ghana na ewi asa 38 for na make asa 38 for dey o mu fi Ghana kra Ghana beto yie Ghana betima konanim be boni o mo bedi o Ghana the king hwe ni o betim dai o no mo mfari ade so na mu gyan say di obi gyan say di 50 years mba na wadi how many years woni mbonya dodo wo efuonya makoma 50 wonu wa wudadaada ne wo wuda na meka say NDC for no say on beto to niam yie na anu me ko yie ba akoma hu mu yie mba be kan me sa kan ne biem because omu use some games as a way scapegoat and on example you call my go papa yie no aye ni on ba yie ni come on be hye na ni munyam omu about your supporters omu sumu fo nyina tekre ona bo ni akopake ona bo na ona bo ko no mu di na ki asem what say me enchiska sa na ona bo fo ni oh me makati ni oto wasn't that the way na me say maka me mo bia di the American say omunya sa de omu omu say mo hwe party for no because full soldiers no one appointment omunya bi bibia no omu die na say Kojo Yebo abedu ho no mo a wo be show kakra but e say we di show sa na say mo ye na party no mo fom nya bi obi ho no mo a o pe bia 500 na 200 sometimes I could be probably more than that some can feed about man panin padi do be an kwala bi say so man 500 the to akwa ye na mo ko 200 dey na aba munya sa stingy na mo di fititi na mo ko opposition ni kwata mo ko no mo tutu niam ye na nkoso ye wutima say na radio for ni ade no minsu me sa ba bi mu make sure because me do say nkofo ho mo bo wa wutima say still now from that opposition which is not good o party ba power and no penny different between NPP and NDC. What am I say? NPP bar udu oman from near other places na nipa ni hobium. We make sure so bia nya ba bi obi a hobia so an bottom ye kama obi a hwe obia ba udu hanuma areho mu an nkrofo nda so wo ento mampani ba bia mu obia no da bottom nye mabusa dodo na wo mampani na pound for mu ntomo nya and na me kwa akra the same thing yes we see akra and then ansam kwa ahoto the same thing so the same thing mabusuafo no mo hwe busua na busuafo ni niye mo boda wuro say hu nya da wuro we defender who defender there there hu hia aduane anyway didi shababa ye wotwe kama eso afon hu hia sa yes panisa let yes say ade on betima ya ne mpani fo ntwa omo ani enhwe omo members eno ane me hawo members ne hwe do me say men Kojo Yebo ade omo appointment do metimi ni metie awura na what about obi ayo cameraman no ojo betu awura bi amana yi ontimi tini dia na answer betima toto niema yi na obi atima hwe cameraman na otima ko na ni kin etimi je mama me nua ba na chop am de man this mpani fo ne say ya mu hwe mu nkrofo Munsha boys na so bre what man say obi bagima no su hwen encrophobic cases enkra woni pakam enkra woni pakam ade urade wo ka bi ade na popopopo musie mu na say mamu tia do si we no enye ya so we nyina advance e shop and mepa mon pen ye man fama encropho no so niye na amudi yi a party na di yi party metima ko na nipa 57% omo 57% omo to aba no so mudi yi a Ghana na di ye no Ghana be ko nanim Ghana be fa ntoma pafra yensa metra me di be 20 years 30 years uko opposition 1 week ni pesu no omo hwe fu soldiers no mo nye
mamenda Kojo Yebo ase no submission or the amai mamenko Charles Makati ho editor de ma the Hawk newspaper Charles yentio
Nicholas Medawase na machia ahwefo ni atifo MPP press conference and I said demonstration ubo video na mehwe ma hunyansa ni bia wo I say anyansa fo na nkobi because na mehwe si mehu Patrick Boama ma hunu
Sunday na say Liverpool
nyansa ni bi wo MPP parliament is Patrick Boama ma hu samia uku ho oh
obi kra mo say Patricia PJ ma me we ni nyamte so mo
dabi ma me kan wa sadan anyansa fo na
ko we ni
we gina na
ka cho se me hwe mu no ma hu nyansa ni bia wo Afenyo ni na likes na akohono no mabre na omutana form normal
ugina ho a obre
ugina bre no watana form etini mi hu bibia ewom ba ne ye menwanwa se Afenyo Markin ka otimi ko Supreme Court na in a day ya free Supreme Court judges normal man decision ruling in his favor no and now some to Afenyo a on court view is a Afenyo ko ye sit down there ye nwanwa you see ni Ato Wontumi no say ade a omoye omadwin so mo pese omo beli Wontumi a anka omo hwehwe MPP fo a omo dimu wahu na anka omo akọ file bill ama Wontumi Kennedy Agyapong wo Ghana ha kasika fo a ono se wo yesikani o fee more than 100 e won kran ha to kabo mu anka drew 50 million no me boa bra champion hotel wo kwa usi hotel a swanka odi ehum document kwa obetimi akoye na po obi e wo people so ho every people so we see nice house bi wo ha ebetimi ay amanfo wo ajapade o ba so mu nji Wontumi ni ena mama ene na mama dia tum se fraud no mo kan me ya dia tum so mu nim so ye fraudster
okay
because Professor Aremeyaw dia ba ya no Kennedy swa document echo court me wa eno ko granting bail because we did say prof enya no fragada
e ana prof de enya 2 million o mfi say so
ska kitwa bia ni ho I say nipa wo mu didi a o mu disikan beba Justin Koduase o mu ntua ne tia nchina we lawyer ni o
lawyer ni na kasa
ba oni mi si bail condition ye di two so age say wo meet bail no
yes
Nicholas almost 50 million ni outrageous me di iyokofo ho yawo remuacha na me pede o ye na dwuma pa ba sa bail condition we die wanya de oboga na form I am disappointed in him na metros ni ntia wayo misikano na yesi wayo mi adiga na sika 51 million what is it the bail I did to no so 54 million 3 million extra sana e bail ete and this would the 1000 na ye ma o bail as 1500 na 2000 Wontumi sika na waji efi cocoa board sa contract no nko ade no 45 million 199,525 26.96 cent million dollars no o convert the basidi mu a and the dollar rate ma fa 10.13 we found a 10.10. We are talking about 458 billion. Yes, that is the money we are talking about. Sika idiama ai hallmark civil engineering si omfan twakwan that deals to a Contomra road no. This 45 million. Who convertible cedis mu na we use current rate we are talking about 458 billion near toso no 71 million no kra eseni bail bond no Raymond, you can't disappoint us like that You cannot let us down. 50 million in my mind are too small. A battery. And so, because won't make me journey. Won't be can run. Won't be uncle that South Africa. So yari. So won't me no beer or China. Now man baila. Now condition no 50 million. And 50 million. We are talking about a man who had expressed interest to buy Chelsea.
Yes, always
$3.1 billion. I was so the Koto Chelsea. Check and see. That was around the same time. Sikanaba. Got that year 2020. And Sikano in the 24 months. 24 months. What I say? And in when ya dear. See, young Kanagana Frontier say Yama won't to me bail. Onu ne meeting the bail condition. And yet no cresse. Omudina ko trim na yempese bejano. That is not the case. Wontumi has been granted bail. Say monfa bibia eson 50 million. Yan cut it for 50 cash.
Oh yeah, yes.
Bibia eson 50 million.
Million, yes.
Muntumi mfama. MP so moko ye say 80 yan ka omo V8 ni mum ezen.
Ebro.
Enti se no omo pese omo bail wontumi a. And come on, V8
document
akabo na mudi akosi hose munji ne maye
sanity
no mo mpeso meyi no no mo ye krokro de John said na Friday Atta 2 na sound you got the document ni ko sia ye be verify we na about 12 obedam nti dan de yem fan tu etim ze wontumi dam akosi Monday
was weekend de omo nya adwuma nti
o dam akosi Monday police for tia omo hwehwe otchere befi yes otchere befi MP
yeah
wakan wa another station say bosses no man release wontumi or they would disrupt Ghana.
Otchere befi
yeah, he said it. There's a video to that effect. Say mobile metimi aseni amam
Farmer Kelvin na
you see this irresponsible commentary should not be entertained, not by members of parliament as omuhu emrano. Wontumi lawyer and their peer could be say yokunye bonibia. It's and their peer could be one of the sensible human beings in the NPP party. Or see yokunye bonibia. Intino monkope condition amumbe miti surety. No two people in NPP are willing to grant wontumi surety. And no necessary wontumi de to no hofo.
Omonji ndi.
Gabby otchere da ko nam ho. Ontumi mbes gina surety ma. Na Akufo Addo be gina surety ma na yede. Do you get it? Intino ni abai nsem bebre woto amanfo kasa no mutwi fam. Oh, a man for casa no much from
someone won't.
No, I
want to win some doors.
FBI for Ghana high net. Who call police station now who treat Bentley. Say Bentley from a Uramunam. Ferrari, Nina, it's a fake life from Kwana man for Timu Ghana. Omu ya be do at terms one more bra. Utwi amanfo di wa ukromu for bosomuntwi kwan wanye bosomuntwi ewo na ofi what the constituency chairman wo ho anka udi be ye obi a udi be ye ukromu for untim fanye
ye nuana
udi no se maseni amom udi be me abake udi be ye obi a ni kwan se udi ye ukromu for enti untim de ni ato no eye lesson
let Mr. Kelvin mame why
eye lesson ma
be video no
obi bia se wunya sika na wahwe fie wunya sika na wabusiafo a boabusia ma omoso se wo mo nru level kra at least manipa no so no nya ba bi nyina se na ya asem bo chena obetumi aka bia ma wuntumi ye yi a odi solid money wo sika te Ibrahim Amani president mama put together yi eno boa na chiriba oboa ni nua penyi eno boa na busiani bia odini si yi ya Nicholas anka ni atu ni saa nipa no ɛne bɛ command bail
mentwa wa no ɛyɛ me hu sɛ nkyɛw sɛ yɛhu sɛ nkɔfo teke mu VIP buses fi Asante region I say greater Accra
onye untumi nya sika onye party untumi nya birthday kram frɛ obi ma ne medi
so chairman want yɛhu sɛ cars fi Asante region ama just to aswe
we say on the bus free no ba one be didi even one be mo dia na di
ncho mu chairman no so I say Accra fu ya
usunu ban ɛna bɛ kyɛ ba bia do bɛ ko
yo
untumi gyina ho nyem papa bi obi dodo na ata no unu so be di chairman no wɔtete ni dodo ni nyina na to Asante region eto mo pa ebo na se na bibi se besi ne Nyankopɔn adom wato nsupa gusu amanasi ento mo pa ebo na se akwa we betuma ko prison kakaka o na akwa we so nba ko prison 20 years pa dia ne ma hu se John Dramani amamu abai de wanya de bo aniama de aso antansa wo de ntwa fangu enkoka kota kra 20 years eso timinya
Charles yanko mo anunsi na
Exim Bank de ne wo ho untumi gye Exim Bank busia se odi kodo aburu e wo bono saska no wando aburu no
anyi land ne
I say wando aburu that $20 million oh chamanfo na nkuro we bono eye fragadam adrinkese format eno mu dinam wakɔgye Ghana man nyina 10 million se wo kɔdo wando wa mu aburu baako waji 45 million uwie was yema wo kwane kɔtɔ Chelsea uwie wadi enyina sika na odi be radio stations across the country now car no enti remo ye de ba mesi sa bail condition we on revised bail condition no
enko be 100 million
say mesi ni pa na de ka 458 billion
okay
enti wo ya 600 billion
ababwa
na bail condition no why say sa ya no wo ya na o tiso 50 million enti ma mo so mo ntua no e ko esa why say esa so mo nya briso mo pe wuntumi bill a mo pe so mo ja wuntumi from ankomu di akọ but na Afenyo nkwa betima masasika no Afenyo half is worth more than 15 million like Afenyo no companies are on transport business are here estate are I Winiba is worth than 50 million but onye prepared onji wuntumi ni they don't trust him. Omu yuzuno edidin semhunu nkwa ozi but ye pensisa no mu ye other areas interna me buafu se special prosecutors na eni kwan so na handle kenu for that case se remuacha yokwa anka Bawumia san komo extraditing the abaga na hadada wa ajabin de me menyini what I say maka and I'm still saying it because me na ND kenu for that trouble so beba me wa
it say so see June yes June 2nd June na na mati e ti otwi odifi me ko June
akabe 3 days or 4 days me wo bibia me check no
odi be ko December
e wo ha
na mo tia na odi kwa obi wa bo
I'm say Charles ka say ajabe ye me
a right hand person wa obecho what I say ocho wa wacho ma bail condition wuntimi miti what I say na udam utrim at least 3 days 4 days 5 days they ubedi wo e honom upia ni ya hu you see but minority for mo bias or mo selective uni gold a onya asema they won't come to your aid so we know bia wo gold onya asema mo meka bi ma adubu ahenya case ni bi ye de adubu ahenya twirimu weeks man tise minority for ye dede man tise omo ye demonstration man tise omo boycott parliament and at the end say oni gold when so ni gold when ne wo gold
third person
yeah on the betimatua or you betima mo betima sort omo enuntia ye nyesa ye mfa santrum eye na wuntumi eye NPP adwuma ohu ena na no akopa ena waka na ayenka waye na anyamra se na ye kura ni mu a party betimi asori akaso na oye party adwuma dabio Hallmark Civil Engineering Company a private entity ena akodi ni contract ena wanye contract ena aban ni nanya asa wenye NPP asem wenye minority caucus asem na sanse minority koko mu ni adwuma ya parliament nti na ato mu wi unse se bonsampe adwuma ma ensa enye adwuma. That is because they are not doing anything in the house. So let's go, let people see us here hobby nti ye be ye nia nsi da ye be ko transform omuye na nkomoro omuntade no muda gata mu ana mbeviso omo bibi o tra quota so onyere o tra quota so na wo wie na ovie tabe fa wa kofi. You've not done anything. Nothing have you done. It's a waste of everybody's time, and that is it. Things say Yoko must stand their grounds until we meet bill no time mo court no mo so mo court na mo ni abranka no na se mo court anka no na se mo court ko vary u court ene u be wie na court pon so ayedam sa the wontumi de this a Monday
sana me hono sa
Monday no so ma anya ntema o ma anya ntema ebe ko Tuesday ma tise Raymond be tukwan so o tukwan
to na Raymond to ne hia Raymond akonto to no hia nto tukwan
so
juma bi pa bi na Raymond ko di ama o my Ghana nti Raymond acha wa akonto to be ko
omo ja Raymond no tukwan asembesi mo azika from but next time opie no ba ne sika wanyan omo na busiafo onso mudwa
Asante regional
orezi omo a enya Asante mse orezi na busianka wesiye anka wesiye ya busiasem anka na busiani a wa building na beba wo fasi no baba no abegina mu ama guarantee na oko but one build you bia eso bia anhwe wo na wo ye wo governor governor na no ho ache no na NPP vomro president African president be yes ade ni bi Gabon president Ali Bongo odin se hu anu ho chire oye video so Africa must rise
light no this is how hero ozo obi amra
eni bi na wuntumi
ya kam ya shede mu
eni na wuntumi no ebi before nyina so na munti na NDC for ye Mr. Muntina then na waye ntia NDC for ye usa yes waji contractor eye polling station for there waji 20% what did you nyina
is discuss bremo sika Ashanti region
according to Kwasinti former Formina chairman omudi dollar na GNPP phone penny for jere na moyo kumase wanti mati osi omo no ne man nkiti na dollar no omudi to amam for jere no mo Kwasinti ne kan yo boa me boa
onja Kwasinti ono mo nenam
ono na di wunti na me mini bi
Kwasinti enjoy NPP ni mako na
enunti na amamfo envi Ashanti region mate se na open na waje wo yira obeba
omma
odi dollar to
nomra maye den
dabi all I say nti wuntumi de a lesson say ochina bi otimi miti bail condition no pia ye management odi aban sika
omiti bail condition no pia na kese okọ
se wo wie ye
Afenyo obekọ to main prison enti ade na Asante na aka no Afenyo obekọ the main one
America so di to no hufo afutuo na me to
yeso owu koba
so timi at least next time ukoji $45 million so de betwa kwan a eje se wo mie wani na twa kwan wo twa wie na wo disika na mfo bia ho what I say na next time wo ji se wo kodo a fa kodo na sa $1 million kini gola ona onya sa $10 million ye ma $1 million fa kodo anka uno e
ma that
kini gola
obewu onya kese obewu
$1 million
bibini de omo kese obewu
Kojo
no bibini amana kontra on se kumase kwensam mkwan wo de ma bibini bi obewu ntimi ngajuma no estimate no obroni ye man kwes no ohun a de weti obewu to on say bibi fokoko rules ada normal rules na de ama nkitwa enu ne de ma bibini
na major rules
on say mo de Kofi Job a oda highway kakaka so yeda
ti say kaswa kwan
won Kofi Job wo so da Kofi Job bewu
tam de ama China for
won tin fa ma bibini cramp de kesesa but wo de contract ma obroni a bibini betwa lead ya project de kama ende nyo ne de ma de ha no ba the man people
for na
ye ma $1 million sisi adwuma wo jai to fie wo niam be sa na ofa hunu ewu nti bibi ni da bi obema normal money
no me ana
me no me
dia na we dia so no
o ze kuri ahwe omo host program no kra NDC bapa wo ze dodo na ahwe da magima
aze
we dey show other stations no oba Monday so me ba next week me ba omo opo no mo ba se kakraba no botom omo ni so biri omo adwuma mpo mo hye da mpo nkwa adwuma bibi ni dia me ma na de kase o nkakra endo obey adwuma no wo ma no kase aburu so a obey ko wukwa sa wo de mo adwuma mo mpo dudu na wo so mo hye da ma papa sa na other places there bibi ni di ho hia de kase o
Kojo wo pa wasemaka
o da bi nyama se me paka
okay
Saba fa takra de kwa na Akufo Addo mutu Torkornoo no na de ma Kofi Job o be koko wu kwa no so bra nwanwa
that's why we
sa MP so mo demonstration
okay my person ye betie voice no okay
tentrowo so bi ato tentrowo so bi a
enti be pacha we NIB gate kese anim na omugira no we ye friend Boama ono so we na ye afia say afia new way we no be yikudwo fi won tetia no
I otchere be fi na wo na chi no
okay otchere be fi na ye we kofodia
new driving
enti kofodia
new driving ka kofodia
okay mo enti voices na kakra enti nsema na omoka sound bomba yenti me ekoso so sound ni wa na yenkwa yenim enti sa na che we na ye afion Magati, if you fat to Abama, one more.
No,
and get all this confusion if you are not careful, like you saw happening over there. Then the next time you realize there will be some breaks or confusion in the area. We want to avoid. We are talking to them to be very calm in this regard, and so we expect that very soon the Vice President will join us, and then we will complete the process.
Thank you very much for speaking to us. So we'll be speaking to some members of Parliament, some party stalwarts, leadership of the party, both in the region and national, and sharing their perspective issue. So the confusion still continues. We see the agitation still continue. Now we want to see the signs at the gate. We see no entry for commercial and unauthorized vehicles, and then again we see photography or filming strictly prohibited. The gate is so tall, about 20 to 30 meters tall, and to that effect you can't really see beyond this point. There is no way until the gate is opened you may not be able to get what is happening in there. The former Youth and Sports Minister, Honorable Yusuf, is here to he looks so collected, he looks so calm, as if there is nothing at stake really, but we all know the cause you are fighting for, the release of the Ashanti Regional Chairman. Over the period he's been detained till this time, in your view, what do you think is happening?
It's totally unacceptable. We all know that this country is ruled by laws, and once the person, even if you have committed any crime against the state, there are procedures and rules that you have to take the person through. The bail condition given to him is so high that nobody can miss such bail condition. But we are here because the flag bearer of the NPP, the 2024 flag bearer, His Excellency Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, the former Vice President, is coming to pay him a visit, and we are here to support him, to go and pay him a visit, and also to see him and to reassure him that the whole party is behind him, and we'll make sure that the government follow due process in making sure that they get him released on bail, so that whatever charges that they have against him, they can charge him. But to keep him here more than 48 hours is totally unacceptable. It's not done anywhere in the world. It's not done anywhere in the world.
Maybe we've had enough conversation on this whole thing, but to veer a bit into sports, just I mean, this is a conversation for the two of us alone. Just for the two of us alone.
I'm not speaking anything about sports. I've done enough of sports already. Now I'm a member of parliament for the people of Yagaba Kubor constituency. Let me concentrate on that.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much for speaking to us. So that is
NIB. Enimina make us say parliamentarians ni bi ekogu ayete omo NDC supporters ni bi omo kasa no em say the besi na NPP for
former sports minister
yeah enko galam say
former sports minister we hu pe ngonwa wo case wo I even national service for no wo ka ho ya prepare wo case ho West African Games all African Games ya sa prepare wo docket won trafie wo be yam ye do contem. What is it?
Mustafa. No, national service case. Or someone
one way I didn't put to be 25-30 years in sense prison.
Mustafa,
oh, when you boss watch Chekra, what big Jahan Musabaki can be share. Massa, and go for a case to the American.
Yeah, bro.
Apia stadium in a palm for it too.
Apia stadium ye chechi amopa. Yeah, ye chechi amopa.
Kacha Pia say friend I won fa. Munya so bombori. So bombori. Ye gina na fi Kenya say. No that Afenyo ko German ba kwa ba season 1 no.
Agree video.
Apia friend
on the light.
No gina na fi Kenya say number 1. Ye friend wa fa why?
Yo before we ensemo ababeto ye pono so me ka say so we subscribe to channel here bomodi ase obe subscribe. Na wa like video don't give us a thumbs up na fe share ma wo foforo so na when you be here na wo ensemo ekoso e wo Ghana memo also betimi atchere wadwen afa ye ensemo we nyina ho e wo comment box ni mu mo beti menka bim in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.